Right, Dad Random here, and I am at the crash site. This is the area, and I think I'm just a little bit east of it right now. To do the old walking vlog right there, the tight shot from the ground. All right, there's Steve there. I decided to pull out the Action 5, and the reason why I pulled out the Action 5 today is I don't want any screw ups. This looks like a trail I'll be walking a few times. It's too good. So I was thinking about bringing the bike, but Steve needs this more than that stupid bike. So Steve needs to be back out. He enjoys the trail too much. And it's time. It's time for us to get ourselves a brand new year. And we need to get out and about. So, right, it's going to take him a while, but he's now starting to venture away from me. Oh, he'll get brave again. All right, Dad Random. And Steve. Dad Random and Steve. Out on the trail. If you want to know where this place is, it's the Santa Clara Reserve area. Very popular trailhead. Nice for just about everybody. Easy hiking. And perfect for just hanging out. Do we have our camera set up finally? Yep. All right. So Steve and I have not been on a walk in a while. It's actually been the first journey in quite a long time. So we're definitely going to make sure we record this one for posterity. But yeah, it's about dang time. Steve, we're talking years. It's been at least a couple of years since we've been trailing together, so we both need it, and he's gonna super appreciate it. All right, hopefully we have a little bit of an adventure. We're on a kind of a search. I don't know if we'll get to the search, but we're in no hurry. All right. So you're probably familiar with that view, that direction right there. This is the trailhead that's going to take us to the potential crash site of the not to be mentioned drone too many times. So we're going to see if we can give it a look today. I was going to take my bike, but like I said, me and Steve need this walk more than that bike needs it, so I can always come back. It's a pretty good sized trail. All right. But it's just gorgeous this morning. Probably be about 62, 60, 65 degrees today. Christmas Eve. All right. 2024, soon to be 2025. All right. Dad Random. Back on the hike. Right, Dad Random here, and I am at the crash site. This is the area, Now I think I'm just a little bit east of it right now because the two trails come together right up here, and this is the area I was flying in. So we're going to take a couple of passes, me and Steve, and see if we can get lucky. It's really about luck today. There's not much. I think I'm inside of that trailhead over there, like to that side, you know, to the other side of it there. You just don't know because everything kind of starts looking the same. It's all sagebrush and rocks, but it is pretty flat. Here's that turn. There's a trail going that way. This is it. This is it. This is the turn right here. This is the turnaround right there. I don't even need to go over there because this is the area. All right, we're gonna start looking. All right, and if we're lucky, see, this is it. This is the rock areas, and we can skirt this and hopefully get lucky. All right, Dad Random doing a little search and rescue. Well, search and recovery. There'll be no rescuing it. It'll be pretty much dead. And Steve's doing a great job. All right, later, bye. Dad Random. We'll be back. Good news or bad news? So this is the area. I'm going to just do a little swing here, and just so I can get an idea about where I am. So when I look in the future at search locations, I have an idea the area, unless I was too far out or too close in, because it could be down in that lower area. That's a wash. Not a wash, but it's a lot less stuff down there. This is very there's just lots of sage here. I would say we're within. I probably, as I walk back this way, I'm more likely in the right area. But yeah, this is it. And without video, it's not going to be easy. So, all right, Steve. I was training him to be a drone sniffing dog. But all right, heading back. We did our job today. We gave it a shot. Searching for stuff in this area is going to be hit and miss. To find anything, anything related to our issue here, because I hit the trail not too long after, and I was going this way. So, right, but I don't know if I was going straight, or that's how I got to check. Right, Dad Random. There's Steve. There he is. All right, we got to pay attention to Steve. Great thing about coming back from a hike is nice cool drink of water, and he's gonna love it because I brought his water bottle with him. If it's summer, I would carry it with me, but it's not summer. We're not wussies. All right, you can see where we're at. Right, Dad Random here. And Steve right there. Just working on a little bit of a search and rescue or search and recovery hike, but no good. But we got a really good idea about the area, so that we need to look in. Trail is nice and big here. You can easily get to it by electric bike, no problem. Big, wide, heavy trail. So it's a matter of just picking your bike up and getting into the trail area. But it's a beautiful area. I mean, crap, look at that. You know? But, all right. Dad Random and Steve. Come on, Steve. Come on, Steve. He's getting tuckered out. You tuckered out, Steve? Yeah, that's why we're heading back. We got nice, cool water. And successful. It's a successful hike, I'd say. Right, Dad Random.